3, 2, 1. Let's blast off. Let's head out of this world for an intergalactic, supersonic space adventure. Walk tall with me and soar intergalactically in grade 3. Hello, my name is Mrs. Jeffries and I'm your space captain. I have 14 years of teaching experience at Seegers Elementary School. I'm a Bearcat from Northwest Missouri State University and a Baker graduate with my master's. I was a recipient of the 2014 Excellence in Education Award from the Northland Chamber of Commerce. I'm nationally board certified and Google Level 1 certified. Behind our space launch, there's an amazing crew that helps me in every way, shape, and form. Family is very important to me. And this is the crew behind our launch. This is the Jeffries Command Team. Meet my family. This is Mr. Jeffries. He's down to earth while I'm way up in the clouds. He's a detective for the Platte County Sheriff's Department. He works hard and would love to remind you to wear your seatbelt and drive safely. He'll be in and out of our room throughout the year and the kids will get to know him and love him. My girls are precious too. They dream big and aim high. Darby's on the left. She'll be in 2nd grade this year. Hazley's on the right. She's 3 years old and will be starting preschool at Sunbeams Preschool. Our 3rd grade team is exquisite. They're out of this world and truly shooting stars. They will fly you to the moon with a joy and sunshine. Miss Anderson, Mrs. Roberts, Mrs. Refcorn, and Miss Kirshner are all excited to have your child in 3rd grade with us this year. If you need any of these teachers at any time, because your child will be in and out of their rooms, and we'll see them at recess as well, and in between at transition times, you can contact them by finding their information on the Seegers webpage. This is a brief overview of our flight plan. It's still a rough draft as it's very fluid throughout the beginning stages of the year. But as we work out our schedule, I will keep you updated in our weekly s'more. Please know when we do things that you know the best time to pull your child for appointments and other such things. You can also find a copy of this on my webpage. We will create a classroom community in the Giraffe Room that aligns with the 7 habits which are followed by the district and Seegers Elementary. We will work hard to build our classroom community, and as we develop it, I will give you updates in the weekly s'more. Please make sure to keep your eye on that s'more. 3rd grade life can be far out, but here's some of our everyday processes. We love to celebrate birthdays in the Giraffe Room, but we ask that you follow the school procedures. With treats, make sure they're pre-packaged and safe for all kids in the classroom. And invitations should go out to everyone or be mailed home. We go to recess as often as possible, so check that weather report and make sure your child is ready to blast off. There will be a take-home folder that I give your child. It's black this year. It comes home every night and needs to be returned every day. You can put notes, reminders, transportation, changes, lunch money, and all such things in this folder, and I will grab them. And I will also put important notes for you in it. Jackets and water are both welcome in the Giraffe Room, but I ask that jackets are taken home regularly to be washed and laundered. We like to keep our rocket ship a germ-free environment. Water bottles are also welcome, but they need to come home nightly to be cleaned. And my rule is that you can use the restroom whenever it is needed, as long as you're not dinky-donking. Dinky-donking requires a conversation and probably a call home to work out a different plan of action. But as long as you are doing your best, we will keep you headed to that restroom anytime you need it. Bring that water bottle. Stay hydrated. There are also earthly duties, the astronaut expectations. In math, your child will be using the Envisions 2.0 series. In the ELA block, your child will work on reading and writing. There is no weekly spelling test, but we do work on words and word patterns. You'll see evidence of that in the take-home folder. Science and social studies are both pretty hands-on. And homework, we ask that your child reads 30 minutes a night and works on both multiplication and division facts. Those are so important in 3rd grade. We have a celestial civilization and sometimes things go amok. We keep control of our behaviors through the Class Dojo program. And your child also has leadership roles that will help define their place in our classroom and allow them to lead our rocket ship. If things go amok, there's think time and think sheets that align with the Seekers practices in the Platte County School District. Should a think sheet be used or think time needed, you'll see evidence of that in the take-home folder, and you will also receive contact home from me via phone or email. If you need to contact me at any time, you can email me at jeffreym, make sure there's no S in there, it's a little tricky, at platco.k12.mo.us. You can call the office, my extension's 1446. You can follow me on Twitter at Melinda Jeffries, or you may also watch Class Dojo. There's a weekly s'more report, and there's my contact information there as well. Make sure you read that s'more. It's my best advice for 3rd grade for staying on top of all the things that are happening. Read your weekly s'more. Well, 3rd grade's gonna be fun. We're gonna have an out-of-this-world intergalactic supersonic space adventure. But my best advice is this: in the giraffe room, never stop looking up. I can't wait for our year together. See you soon, little astronauts. Bye, giraffes.